Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to amplify ambient sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this function? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for our accessibility menu. Here, next, hearing enhancements, and here we have our amplify ambient sound function. For this option to work, we need our headphones. We don't have one, but as you can see, we can, from this little shortcut here, we can see what this option does. So amplify the world around you, hear distant sounds clearly, and put the focus on conversation even when you're somewhere when you're somewhere noisy. To use this feature, connect your headphones. We don't have headphones on our USB-C, unfortunately, but this option is here if you need it. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.